Okay, today gonna be a day of cleaning out this garden bed here. I need to clean out and dig out all of these dead pineapples that didn't make it through the winter. And I'm going to plant out some new pineapple tops that I have growing inside. Give them a chance to grow and enjoy the spring and the summer weather coming ahead. Gotta get over here and I'm gonna trim back some of these ferns on my asparagus bed area and help my asparagus spears to continue to sprout up. See that one down there coming in? I'm gonna trim these back and it's gonna help more of the spears to come up. Get over here and clean out this bed area here that I was trying to grow spinach in, but didn't see too many of the spinach sprouting up yet. Have some of my marigolds growing there. Have this one marigold plant here that's dried out that I'm gonna take and collect a lot of the marigold seeds. Look at all of those seeds there. And just spread them out around in my garden bed to grow more marigolds. Now this here has popped up here. I found out this is called horseweed. Somebody need to give me some more information on this one here. I found out that it can be used as a spice with cooking, and it has medicinal purposes too to help with different illnesses where you can make a tea with it. So somebody give me some more information on horseweed. If I need to keep this or pull it out. I'm gonna go over here and clean out my green bed here where I have collard greens and mustard greens. Mustard greens done bolted and gone to seed. It got kind of hot out here for them. And a lot of garlic and onion still growing. Looking good. I'm gonna clean this area out, get it ready to receive the spring and summer coming. See if I can continue to grow some more greens in this area. I think I may put a little covering over here because it's getting kind of hot out here. And the collard greens and mustard greens not gonna be able to take all this hot weather. So I'm gonna see how long they're gonna last. On my apple tree here, I'm gonna kind of prune it back a little bit and see if I can get it to continue to grow. Same with my orange tree over here. Prune some of the dead branches off of it. Hopefully we have some more oranges to grow this spring and summer. So let me get busy cleaning out this area. Oh, and one other thing I heard about the horseweed. It's a pollinator, so it's going to bring some bees over in this area too. Let's see how they're going to benefit this garden. They get busy cleaning this area out. Look what I found in the pineapple container when I was trying to clean out those dead pineapple stems and pull the mother plant out. Little baby puff, pineapple puff was in there saying, I'm still here. So I'm gonna see if I can put it back in the soil and see if I can grow a little pineapple off of this baby pineapple. Okay, let's see if you're gonna grow. Let me finish cleaning up all of these other pineapples. Okay, I'm kind of tired. It's getting warm out here. I kind of got it pretty much cleared out. I'm gonna come back later, try to finish up. But look, I uncovered some more spears coming up. Look at that. Some more asparagus spears coming up. There goes some more. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Come on, asparagus. Grow a whole lot more.